Hello champions, this is Mrs. Rogers again. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up um, a paper that's already been typed into MLA formatting, and this is what you're going to be doing for the YAC report that I'm going to give you just to practice your MLA formatting. So you always want to start out checking your margins. So we would go to File and Page Setup, and my margins are all set at 1. If they were not set at 1, let's just pretend they were set at 0.5. I would want to come in and just change them all to, let's say, 1. Next, it looks like I already have a title and some paragraphs here. So what I would do as a first step, if you already have some things typed, is I would do my spacing first. So I could go and highlight everything, but a nice shortcut that would be select all is Control A, and that would highlight everything. When I do that, I need to do this first because if I just choose to double space without highlighting it, it will only double space the new things I type in and not what I already have there. So to do my spacing, I'm going to go into format and then line spacing and double. There it goes. That looks better. All right, so I have my title and I have some paragraphs here. But before I get into all of that, I'm going to say select all one more time. And I'm going to change my font to Times New Roman and 12. So now my font and my point are set up. I need to put in my header. So I'm going to say insert and go to header and page number and type in my last name and a space. And then I would go back to insert and I want page number there. So that's all ready to go, and it looks like it's already changed it to Times New Roman. However, my point isn't right, so I need to change that to match the rest of my paper. And then when I come down here, I can see my title again. I need to do my heading, which is my name and the teacher's name. So to do that, I'm going to come right in front of this title here and I'm going to push enter once and then use the up arrow to go back. And now I'm in the proper place to do my heading. So I will use Frank's name here. I'd have to go back in here. Make this official. There we go. Good job, Frank. I have Frank's first and last name, and then we have our teacher and the name of our class and our date. Remember, it's the date and then the month and then the year. Okay, I'm going to double check with my cursor. Yep, everything is double spaced. I don't have any extra spaces here. But here is my title. Right now it's left aligned, so I need to move it out so it's center aligned. And then the only thing I should really need to do next, because it looks like I have all my paragraphs, is I need to go in and put a tab, use the tab key to indent each paragraph. So this is the beginning of one paragraph. And then because I have all this extra space here, I know, oh, here's the end of the first paragraph and here's where the second paragraph starts. So I'm going to indent there. And then this looks like the end of paragraph 2, so I'll come over here and indent here. And then I'm down to this last paragraph, and it looks like my paper is set up beautifully. Another step that you are going to do is you are going to add an image. And so kind of a cool trick that you can do in Google Docs, and this is in the add an image assignment. If I right click on any word and I could say explore corgis, it will open up a little window over here and I can choose images and find a nice image of a corgi to add in here. What you need to know though is if oh, this is taking a while. If I don't move my cursor to where I want to put my image, it's going to put it right in the middle of that word. So I'm going to come over here and move my cursor down, and then, oh, look at this cute little puppy. We'll add this picture. So if I just click on it and say insert, it will insert that cute little puppy. And notice that this bumped it down to the second page, and my page numbering has worked, except it looks like I didn't do a space. I'm going to come up here and add a space in there. And see, now it's properly spaced. And then I'm going to come and I need to resize this picture. So I can close this now. I'm done with that. And to resize a picture, you never want to use the side tabs. You always want to resize using a corner tab because it proportionally fixes your picture. The last thing I'd like you to do is center your picture, and you can do that just with the alignment tabs up there. And this would be a completed assignment. You're going to do this with a report that I paid my daughter to write for me to use for an example for you guys about yaks. And so you're going to have to format it. You're going to use your name for the student, my name for the teacher, Technology 6, and whatever the date is today or what you're doing this assignment to do your report. And then you'll need to do all of the other steps to properly format it. I think there are 5 paragraphs, and so if you do this correctly, your fifth paragraph or fourth or fifth is going to end up somewhere on your second page along with a picture that you choose of a yak. So hopefully this helps. You can refer back to this as you are working on your document. Good luck, and may the force be with you.